What's up, guys? How are you doing? This is your boy Humphrey Jones, and Humphrey Jones is just coming live from Bungoma town. So on to today's video, I just want to go and take you through nightlife of Bungoma clubs. As today I have a friend of mine here, Mr. Karanja, and some other guys. We are dark. He's dark. Let's go to the light. Come to the light. So where are we, Karanja?
So we are currently at Antonio's club.
True.
It's called Antonio's Lounge.
Yeah.
And today we just want to just copy, step out, and just give you a taste of definitely how Bungoma nightlife is.
Yeah.
We want you to enjoy this. We want you to have fun. Enjoy. This is the best place to be. Anytime you are in town, pop into this place.
Yeah. This is Antonio. I don't know whether there's a signature. It's here. Let's show them.
Yeah. Let's check it out.
The best clubs in Bungoma, it's here. This one here. Accommodation, bar, restaurant, conference. Hey, they have many things.
Of course, they have Antonio's guest house, there's accommodation, a bar, restaurant, a conference facility upstairs.
Yeah.
Very beautifully done, Bana. Very nice.
So let's go and check it out. Should we pass here?
Yeah.
So for the nightclub lovers, here we go.
So these are the stairs that lead to the club. Very nice done walls, very nicely done.
Yeah, man. And the problem is copyright. Best clubs in Bungoma. Can you see? This is the main entrance, guys, but it has been marked X to be destroyed. You know, when men are drunk. So guys, we are going down to the silk launch. one of the baddest clubs in town also.
This is the hour for wazee. This is the time they are playing
Rumba ya wazee. Kisumu nilipeleka mbio. We are here in Bungoma. Ada ni kusupu. Zole ni kwa.
So busy, and it's one of the hardest streets to actually go by, but usually just because of that junction right at COP.
Yeah.
But now from here on, it's just easy driving. You can just enjoy yourself. You won't even know you're in any town.
True.
Yeah, also just like was said, if you want some accommodation, you want some nice place to have a meal, Nancy is your go-to person. She's got you.
Check out on her via their comment sections. She'll be able to reply for you. Again, guys, along this street, we have 2 supermarkets along here. You can just check in and do your shopping, your random shopping. We have a Cheers Crossroad, a Cheers Euro, and then we got some amazing banks branches along this same road, which is always busy. For those asking about hospitality, we got Aga Khan here, which is just in front of us here. Aga Khan, you can just come and look for medicals and whatever you are looking for. So please, if you are watching on video, please, that's the main issue, is just like and subscribe. Please, this is Bungoma Nightlife. We are enjoying here with you who is watching us, Nancy and Humphrey Jones.
Yeah, so Humphrey Jones, what do you love most about this town?
Bungoma is cheap. Bungoma is very cheap, and then people are so good. But, hey, you must be keen with these guys.
Why do you say keen?
Actually, in terms of nightlife, you must be keen. keen.
Why?
In case maybe, unless maybe you're walking two of you. But if you're walking alone, maybe you want to take a motorbike, because we have been having cases here along this Bungoma of a motorbike rider who takes a customer and then goes with her to her destination. But unfortunately, they'll not be reaching to destination. She'll take that client to a different place, and then he or she slaughters her and then gets everything from that client. So basically in Bungoma, you must be keen when taking a boda or walking along these night streets. So basically along these other way.
So Humphrey Jones, you've talked about something so interesting.
Yeah.
So you want to tell me that when I'm taking a boda, I have to pay keen attention?
Yes, at night actually just be keen. That's the main thing. These people are not good, because they'll tell you where you're going. Maybe you might be thinking of 100 shillings, they'll tell you 30 bob. But when you go there, you'll just be seeing a black onto your destination. So guys, one thing about this now Bungoma, this is the main street where prostitution happens. This road.
Prostitution?
Yeah, you see this road?
This road?
When you pass this road at around 10 or 11 at night, you'll see ladies standing all over here. You'll see men walking along here. Either way, motorbikes, vehicles, or whichever way. This is the baddest street in Bungoma here.
This small stretch here?
This one that we're just walking along this road. This Tupanya road that you're seeing. Even this, after these shops have been closed, you'll see all over these streets that we're just showing here. This is where everything about Bungoma nightlife happens. This is the best place. In case you like that nightlife, you can just come and book your house along this place. So guys, also as we continue watching this video, let's pass with Nancy and the other one via Antonio Club. I know most of you have been asking, which club can I go? So we have a newest club in town. Let's also just pass by the entrance, then we see how the nightlife of the club looks like. So it is what it is.
You guys will go inside?
So Humphrey, thank you.
Yeah.
So why is okay for me? My name is Karanj, and I'm mainly from Central.
True.
So where is the club?
The club is here. The club is here. The Antonio Sports Lounge. And then you go the Silk one. So this is the most preferably. I don't know why. I've never gone inside.
You can go and check. You too.
Should we go inside?
Yes, you can. Well, I'll wait for you guys here. No, they have no problem.
This one likes the thing inside there.
Huh?
As in Karanja likes being inside there.
Nah, you know, for me usually
neither way.
We come once in a while.
I'm a person who enjoys the finer things in life, so definitely
Why should you not?
if I can get my chance to have some fun,
then now I should have
I
taken you
can't
to
go.
I should have taken you to Silk Lounge now.
No, I can't come because I'll smell sweat.
it's alright.
It'll be smelly.
It's alright.
What about the
Nancy.
phones?
So you can go with mine.
Oh,
No,
you just post.
can pause yours.
Just even post mine.
Mimi mnaenda uta shoot na gani basi?
Si atachishoot na yake.
So we are here with Humphrey. So any other Bungoma
We
YouTube?
go this side.
YouTube.
This is the side.
You're not going to sing?
Yeah, we are going on. We're doing a night.
The other side.
Not really.
What's you're the one who suggested.
Yeah.
You thought I wouldn't come?
I saw it as a joke.
Imagine I was serious. I am serious with YouTube.
YouTube needs some seriousness and videos posting daily. Alright guys, this is Bungoma.
All of Bungoma.
Good hotels are located, you know.
Paris and where the nightlife is. So here we have a hotel called the Amazon Air Breeze Hotel. So you're going to be able to see it straight ahead. So there we go. So I'm turning right, and at this right turn there is a hotel called the Lisa Guest House. Yeah, it also has a restaurant.
Yeah, you can just come and check in food, drinks, accommodation, and many other activities.
They're also very well known for their samosas.
You know them, huh?
They have the best samosas in town.
You know
I
them,
tell
huh?
you, that's guaranteed. Yeah, you know
Or
them.
it's a family business.
I know them. So here there are two
Good clubs in town.
good clubs in town. I'd just like them to show you the interior. We're not going to get into these clubs.
Wow, the newly
But
built.
just have a look at that. Beautiful. Absolutely
We need to go inside.
beautiful.
Wow.
You guys want to go inside? Look at that.
Yes, I think the audience wants.
Just look at that.
You guys, you can.
Nancy wants to go. Want to go, Nancy?
Imagine I'm from the gym. I am so sweaty. I am so tired. I'm smelling sweat. So imagine going to the club and people, especially ladies, are dressed in a very beautiful manner. And me, I'm in my gym clothes.
Choma is also there.
Alright, so
You want us to go there?
So it's good. We went for
maybe we can do this.
Guys, we're here. We're enjoying in Bungoma, the best places you can come. That's my guy here there. The one we are making rounds here. Where should we start? This one. So can you imagine? The best club they want to destroy. They have placed X.
It's getting destroyed.
Yeah, imagine X.
So this going
Can you
down.
imagine?
You can see the X is there. So you can imagine how such a nice club will be going down.
We are here.
It's also nice.
Wow. Good clubs in town. So guys, these are the best clubs in town. Haiko poa.